Good afternoon, students. This video is for class 8B. So I'm going to straight away start with the formula. The formula is a square minus b square. Okay, so it's a very famous formula. We have come across this formula so many times, and again we are learning this formula. The formula is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, and then there's a multiplication sign into a plus b, a minus b. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. So do learn this formula properly. Okay, so as we were doing exercise 12a, I'm starting with question number 2, part 1. The question is, okay, it's given in the book, use a direct method to evaluate. Okay, so if you want to do the direct method, you can do multiplication term by term, but we will be using the formula of a square minus b square because it's very, very simple and easy. Okay, so let's start with it. As we know, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So if we compare out here in this given question, it is x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, quite similar. So here my a is x and b is 1. So if I use the formula, using the formula, it is in the formula of x square minus 1 square. So which is x square minus 1. Which is the answer. Very, very easy. So I'm also showing its alternative method out here. Okay, you can also do this by multiplying term by term. So what will I do? Multiplying term by term means you multiply x minus 1 with x, so that is x into x minus 1, and then plus 1 into x minus 1, so which is multiplying term by term. So this will give us, so no implies that sign, just is equals to, okay, x into x, x square, x into minus 1 minus x, plus 1 into x, x, plus into minus, minus 1. So your plus x and minus x gets cancelled out, so which will give me x square minus 1, so which is the same answer. So this is just the alternative method. Okay, but the easiest formula out here would be a plus b into a minus b, so that quickly we'll get the answer. Okay, question number 2, part 2. This is very easy question for you again. 2 plus a into 2 minus a. Very, very easy. Again, it is in the same form. A plus b, a minus b. 2 plus a, 2 minus a. So therefore, is equals to, since it is the same formula, so write down 2 whole square minus a square. So which is actually 4 minus a square. Simple and easy. Very, very simple and easy. Okay. So number 3, number 4, number 5 and number 6, very, very similar. I'll just bring one question, and I'm going to take question number, let's say 4. Okay, question number 2, part 4. This is part 4, so I'm writing out here part 4. Okay, copy the question. 4 plus 5x into 4 plus 5x into 4 minus. Here are the. Okay, question number 2, part 4. Now, 2 part 4, the question is 4 plus 5x into 4 minus 5x. See, again, the form is same. Just keep your focus on the form. Okay, the form is again a plus b, a minus b. See, the same number. See, 4, 5x, 5x. So 4 is your a, 5x is your b, and then plus, and the other one is minus, because this is the formula. A plus b into a minus b, and we are asked to simply evaluate, isn't it? Since it is already in the form, so I will straight away write 4 whole square minus 5x whole square, isn't it? So the extra thing out here we're getting is 5x whole square. Okay, so we'll come to this. 4 square is already 16, we know it, but now 5x square. So 5x square, this square to the power 2. Okay, this power 2 is for both 5 and x as well. So 5 to the power 2 is 25, that is 5 square 25, and then x square is x square. So this is the factorized, sorry, this is the simplified form. Okay. So as I've already said, question number 2, part 3, part 5 and part 6 you'll do it yourself. I'm moving on to part 7. Part 7. The question is ab plus x square into ab minus x square. Now here also you see that the form is same. Okay, same formula. AB x square x square plus and then minus. So if you can read it, it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. What is the formula again? Again the same formula, that is a square minus b square. Simple. And now the square is for both a and b, so therefore this is a square b square minus x square. Simple as that, isn't it? Okay, so in the same way, so I'm just mentioning your homeworks out here. The homeworks that you'll do is question number 2 part, which one I said? 2 part 3, right? 2 part 3 and 2 part 5, 2 part 6. It's very simple formula. Just the formula you have to put out here. Put 2 part 8 also you'll do. The 7 I've done out here, right? And then 9, 10. We'll just keep it till 10 and then we'll move to number 3, okay? So number 9, now 2 part 9 and part 10 they're similar. So part 10 you take it as homework and part 9 I'll do it out here. Okay, so now the next question that we are moving on to is question number 2 part 9. That is z minus 2 by 3 into z plus 2 by 3. Copy the question and then here we are. Okay, now again the same form, but they are just reverse it. The minus one, the expression which contains minus is the first term, and the one which contains plus is the second term. Not a problem for us. We can always take the formula as a plus b into a minus b, which is the same form. So again z square minus 2 by 3 whole square. So when you open the bracket, this is going to be z square minus, now similarly this power 2 is for both the numerator and denominator as well. Okay, so what do I get is z square minus 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9, so which is the simplified form. Okay, so now we are starting with number 3. Question number 3 is 3 part 1. Number 3 is to evaluate. Your question is a plus 1, a minus 1 into a square plus 1. So keep your a square plus 1 as it is, and then just focus on the first two terms, okay? Expressions a plus 1 into a minus 1. So can you see the formula out here? A plus b into a minus b. Okay, so let us evaluate this. Two expressions together. It is in the formula of a square minus b square. So I'll write this. Now use a curly bracket. Therefore this is a square minus 1 square into, we already have a square plus 1. Keep it as it is. Therefore here I'm now removing the curly bracket. A square minus 1 into a square plus 1. Okay, again a square 1 1, and there's minus and there's plus. Again the form is same, a plus b into a minus b, but remember that a we are taking it as a square and b we are taking it as 1. So therefore I'll write a square whole square minus 1 square. Therefore my answer will be a to the power 4 minus 1, which is my answer. So 3 part 1 and then 3 part 2 is the same question. I'll just copy the question for you all. You'll complete yourself in your home. Okay. A plus b, a minus b into a square plus b square. For the first two expressions, we'll use the formula of a square minus b square and then multiply in the same way. It's exactly the same. 2 part 3 also, you'll take it as homework. So these are your homeworks I'm writing out here. 2 part 2, 2 part 3, you'll do homework. 2 part 4 question, sorry, 3 part 2 part 3 also homework. 3 part 4. Okay, so 3 part 4 your question is, let me see the question first. 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x, and then it is 9 plus 4x square. So I hope you have already guessed. You have already guessed now. So you can see out here it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Therefore this is nothing but use the curly bracket, okay, so that you don't get confused. 3 square minus 2x whole square into 9 plus 4x square. So I hope you people are understanding. 3 square 9 minus 4x square, sorry, 2x square, 2x whole square. So this is 4x square into 9 plus 4x square. So again a plus b, a minus b, which is 9 square minus 4 square whole square. So therefore this is 9 9s are 81 minus 16x to the power 4. Okay. Okay. So now we move to question number 4. Our question number 4 is, read the question in the books. It's in page number 150. Okay. The question is, use the formula of a square minus b square, the formula which I've already given to you, a plus b into a minus b. Out here in this question we have to use the formula of a square minus b square. It's not in the form. But see, 21 and 19, these are two very close numbers, 19 and then 20 and then 21. So 20 is the middle number in between. So we need to find the middle number in between. Okay, in between 19 and 21, the middle number is 20. So this 20 is a clue for us. So how we'll use it? See, 21 I can write it as 20 plus 1, and then 19 I can write it as 20 minus 1. Are we clear? So 21 we are writing it as 20 plus 1, and 19 we are writing it as 20 minus 1, in order to make in the form of a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. Are we clear now? Okay, so 20 plus 1 into 20 minus 1 is the formula of a square minus b square. That is 20 whole square minus 1 square. So which will give me 400 minus 1. So which will give me 399. So in the same way, I want you people to try question number 4, part 2, part 3, till part 4. Okay, for your homework will be 4 part 2, part 3, and then part 4. So this is the basic. We'll go through it again. Now we move to question number 5. Again the question is evaluate. Right, evaluate. Number 1, the question is, I hope you people can see it properly. Question number 1, 6 minus xy into 6 plus xy. Okay, so 6 minus xy, 6 plus xy. Again, it's very easy. Look at the formula. It is in the form 6 plus xy, 6 minus xy. So therefore, isn't it 6 square minus xy whole square? Very easy. So 6 6 are 36 minus x square y square, which is the answer. 5 part 2 is also same, part 3 is same, part 4 is same. So I'm taking one of the question very quickly. That will be question number 6 part 5 part 4. Okay, so 5 part 4. I think so I can do this side. 5 part 4. 5 part 4, the question is 3x minus 1 by 2y into 3x plus 1 by 2y. I hope you have already guessed now. It is in the same formula of a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so therefore this will give us a square minus b square. So therefore this is 9x square minus, so 9x square. How 9x square? Because the square is for both 3 and x, isn't it? 3 square 9, 3 is a 9, and x square is x square. But here this square is again for this numerator and as well as the this numerator as well as the denominator. Okay, so therefore this will be 1 square 1, 2y square means 4y square. So you don't have to do anything, just keep your answer till here. Okay, and next one is question number 5. We move to number 5. Number 5 part 5. Okay, that is, so the question is 2a plus 3 and then 2a minus 3 and then 4a square plus 9. Okay, so we'll stick with the basics again. What we have learned is, check the form first. 2a plus 3, 2a minus 3, isn't it? Keep it as it is, 4a square plus 9. So 2a plus 3, 2a minus 3. Now we need to use the curly bracket out here. Be very careful with the bracket. Okay, so this is 2a whole square minus 3 square and then close the curly. The reason I'm writing it, it's in the straight formula. So you can see 2a plus 3, that is a square minus b square. So a plus b, again a minus b, into 4a square plus 9. So therefore, when I open it, 2a whole square, 4a square minus 3 square, 9, into 4a square plus 9. So now it's easy for us. You can see out here 4a square, 9, 9, and plus and minus, which is the same formula. 4a square whole square minus 9 square. So 4a square is 16. A square whole square is a to the power 4 minus 81. So that's it from exercise 12a. The rest of the sum, I want your people to try it, and also go through the examples. Tomorrow we are going to do the next exercise, that is exercise 12b. Okay, so till then, practice hard and learn the formulas, practice it regularly. So tomorrow we're going to start the next exercise. Okay, yeah.